basket and pick it. We found the one. Whoa, okay. Just make sure that it. Pull it. Pick it. Oh, man.
Look, there's another one.
Oh, here's some more. Here, let me help you. Is it not? Whoa. Oh, look, here's another one right here.
And there's another one on the next branch too.
And then the marshmallows, the marshmallow strawberries, I think, bloom too.
Come to the
Look
marshmallow.
on the back.
Hey, man, it even comes with ingredients. Come.
Oh, it even comes in its back. This is a pretty cool Twinkie tree.
You better share, Celine.
What is it, Celine?
Strawberry marshmallow.
Strawberry
If it
marshmallows?
feels squishy like a marshmallow, then it's ready to pick. Is it? Yes? Okay, then pick it. Oops.
Wait.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
Whoa.
Well, pick it up. Go ahead and pick it all. Are they all ready?
I think.
Okay, just pick. Let it feel it. Is it ready?
Oh, squishy.
It's squishy. Check those teeth.
Squishy.
Squishy? All right. Oh, there's one more right there.
I know.
Mm,
Squishy.
squishy. That means it's ready. How about, are there any other ready strawberries? Or not quite? Should we wait till tomorrow to pick these?
I think so.
You think so? Okay, then we'll wait tomorrow to pick these. We'll put the stuff back, and then you can just try your Idaho Twinkies and your marshmallow